Blair, when switching the news on, you see today that we're living in a very different world when it comes to security. So what does Guardian Screens and Shutters offer families to secure their home?
Well, Guardian Screens has been manufacturing and supplying security screens in Queensland proudly for almost 30 years now. We've taken on board CrimSafe as one of the original licensee holders, from Ultimate to Regular to Classic, plus our very own designed Plantation Shutter, which is all security rated. So what we're trying to do is ensure that we're protecting our clients, their homes, their belongings, their family, and reducing the crime rate in Australia by putting only the best products into their homes.
No doubt. And these products are made locally?
Certainly are, down in our manufacturing facility of southeast Queensland, and they're shipped all across Australia as well to lucky businesses that are taken on board.
There's never been a better time to support local business and secure your home. Come and check out Guardian Screens and Shutters here at the Build and Design Centre, 7 days.